Did you know you could make thousands of dollars just by creating your own fonts? Whether you're a designer or just curious, this step-by-step tutorial will show you exactly how to design stunning fonts and sell them online for passive income. No fancy tools needed, just your creativity. So now, without wasting any more time, let's get started. But before we jump into how to create your own fonts, let me show you something really interesting. Right now, we're on Creative Market, a popular platform where designers sell all kinds of digital assets. If we head over to the fonts section, you'll notice something pretty amazing. Fonts are selling for $30, $50, even over $100 each. And the best part, once a font is uploaded, it can sell again and again, bringing in passive income with zero extra effort. This is the power of digital products. You create it once, and it keeps making money. You just have to be as creative as you can and create many different types of beautiful or fonts for different themes. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can create your own fonts and start selling them online, even if you have no experience. Now let's check out how you can design your first font, and for that, we'll be using a super simple tool called Calligrapher. Calligrapher is an easy-to-use online tool that lets you turn your own handwriting or designs into a working font. You don't need any fancy software or technical skills, just download their template, fill it out with your letters, upload it back, and Calligrapher automatically generates a font file for you. It's the perfect starting point for beginners who want to create unique, personal fonts in minutes. Now to download their template, just click on Create a Template. Then it will take you to this page. Here you can add and remove alphabets and symbols you want to be in your template. You can select different languages also, and after adjusting it, you can simply download it by clicking on the Download Template button. You can download it in either PDF or N format. Also, you can adjust the size of the template cells in case you want to create decorative fonts. And your template would look something like this. It gives a very high resolution template, so you won't have any problem with zooming in to make letters. And now to create a custom font, you can either take a printout and make fonts physically with pen or pencil, or you can use any drawing software to create it digitally. Like here, I'm going to use Canva's drawing feature to make letters. You just have to write or draw each letter and symbol on their boxes. That's it. If you have a stylus, then it will be much easier, but you can also use your hand to draw them. Then after filling out the template, you just have to go to Calligrapher and upload your template from the fonts page. Here, just click on Upload Template. From here you can upload your template and Calligrapher will create it into your own font. I'm going to upload a font I've already created. And this is the font I created, with both capital and small letters. You can preview it and then click on Add Characters to your font. Then it will take you to this page. Here you can adjust many things, like letter spacing, font size, and word spacing. Now here we have to click on the Build Font button. Then you'll be able to name your font, and then click on Build Font. Once you've uploaded your template, Calligrapher will take you to this preview page. Here, you can see how your font looks in different sizes and even compare it side by side with standard fonts like Arial or Times New Roman. It's a great way to make adjustments and see how your style holds up. When you're happy with the result, you can download your font in two formats that are .ttf and .off, which are both widely supported across design software and marketplaces. And just like that, your font is ready to be sold. You can now upload it to platforms like Etsy, Creative Market, or even your own website to start earning from your creativity. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss more useful tutorials like this. Stay creative, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next one.